You just tell me you can do or not.
Yes. Let the three numbers be a plus d, a minus d, a.
Mhm. Look at here. Let numbers be numbers be a plus d, a plus 2d, right? And sum of numbers a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 42. So you will find here it is 3 bracket a plus d is equal to 42. You will cut this, it becomes 14. So a plus d is equal to 14, right? So you can write d is equal to 14 minus a, right? We bring it a on this side, so this is right. Now it is saying product of first and last number. So a into a plus 2d is equal to 52. So it is a square plus 14 minus a, it is 2, a is equal to 52. So it is how much? A square plus 28 minus 2a into a is equal to 52. Now you get a square plus 28 minus 2a square. Oh, 28a minus 2a square is equal to 52. So bring all this on the, and when we solve this and this, you will get minus a square, right? We bring all this on the other side, so your equation will be a square minus 28a plus 52 is equal to 0, right? Now what you will do, you can write a square minus 26 plus 2 a plus 52 is equal to 0. So it becomes a square minus 26a minus 2a plus 52 is equal to 0. Okay? Anyway, so this is a square, sorry, you take a as a common, so a bracket a minus 26 minus 2 common a minus 26 is equal to 0. So now a mm, a minus 26 a minus 26 a minus 2 is equal to 0. If a minus 2 is equal to 0, तो a is equal to 2. ठीक, तो d is equal to 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. ठीक है, तो ये 12 हो गया, d 12 हो गया, a 2 हो गया. और अगर तुमने a minus 26 is equal to 0, so a is equal to 26, so d is equal to 14 minus 26, so d is equal to minus 12. These are the two values. Now if you want to put the numbers there, so क्या हो जाएगा? Numbers will be, if we take a is equal to 2, d is equal to, so numbers, if a is equal to 2 and d is equal to 12, so 12 or a plus d, so you get, nahin, a is equal to 2, then you get 14, and then you get 28 to a plus 2d, 26. This will be the number, these will be the number, right? Otherwise, if you convert it in another way, so the next series will be, if you take a is equal to, if you take a is equal to, a is equal to 2, a is equal to 26, and d is equal to minus 12, d is equal to minus 12. So first number is 26, after 26 a plus d, a plus d, तो कितना हुआ? It's 26 minus 14 becomes
minus 12.
26 minus 12 becomes 14 आया, 26 becomes minus 14 आया, 12 आया, और फिर अब 2. These are numbers, right? This is how you can solve this question.